Hello, I am Mr. M from Jit4Dev. In this video, I will explain you step by step how to measure distance and area on Google Maps. Example, I would like to measure distance and area at Anfield Football Stadium in Liverpool City. Type Anfield and then click here. Google will bring you to the stadium. Right click here and click on measure distance for start measure. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. And if you want to measure area, you need to click on the first point. Distance and area will show here. You can edit this area by drag the point like this. Now I have to go. Don't forget, comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ